Hello, and welcome to the scanning station. In this tutorial, we will go through digitizing a document. First, you will need to prepare the scanner. We have provided you with an anti-static cloth and air puffer. Second, prepare documents. Place document face down on scanning bed. To start digitizing, turn on the scanner and double-click on the Epson scan icon. The next step is to ensure your settings are correct. In the Mode field, select Document Mode. Document source is scanner glass. Document size, I have letter. Image type, auto. Resolution, 300. Image format, JPEG or PDF. File name, click Settings. Click Add Date and type in your preferred file name. Click OK to select. If you are saving today's scans to an external hard drive, plug that in now. Once you've plugged that in, go to the Folder field and click Select. I have USB drive E. If you would like to make a new folder, click on the Make New Folder button. Type in your folder name, push Enter on your keyboard. It is selected, and click OK. The next step is to preview your document. There's my document. It is upside down and crooked. Let's try again. For the second scan, I have lined up my document with the edge. That is not always going to be the case for your scans. Here's my new scan. I can rotate now if I'd like, or I can do it later on after scanning. I'm going to scan. My new scan pops up in this new window. I can confirm that it is saved to my USB drive E and in my library scans folder. Double-click to preview your image. If I had chosen JPEG, I could rotate my document. Because I've chosen PDF, my document will remain upside down. You can edit this in a computer outside of the Playback Lab. Now, to continue your appointment, place another document on the scanner bed. I recommend to preview and then scan. When you are done with your scanning, be sure to eject your USB flash drive. Thank you for using the lab.